Hey viewers, today I'm going to show you how to replace the shift cable in a Shimano EF-50 shifter. As you see, the old cable is just junk there, so I'm going to put a new cable in. Now, unlike a lot of shifters that have a hole inside where you push the old cable out and push a new cable in, the Shimano EF-50 is not like that. You actually have to remove the top of this to access the cable inside. Now, to remove the top, you need to loosen these two screws right there. You can remove them, or usually what I'll do is I'll just loosen them and I can pull the top off with leaving the screws in place. But they're a small Phillips head screw, so you're going to use a real small Phillips head screwdriver. Be careful not to strip out the screw heads, because if you do, then it's going to make replacing the cable very difficult, because you won't be able to get the screws out. Then once you have the screws loosened, you should be able to just carefully lift the top out. I don't know if this one already. And be careful not to loose the screws. So right there. Now you want to repeatedly press the small lever here so that the cable is fully released. On this shifter here, this is the left shifter, you see the head of the cable right there. The right shifter is going to be very similar. How you replace the cable on that one. On this one, you can just easily push the cable out here, and it comes out. On the right-hand shifter, I believe it kind of snaps in a little bit, and you might have to help it out a little bit. So anyway, I'm just going to push this cable out like this, and then I have a brand new shift cable. I'm going to push it back into the hole where that one came out of, and so just very carefully get it lined up. And then it's going to go out through this hole over here and out through the barrel adjuster. And sometimes it helps to kind of rotate the cable a little bit, and then it goes through out there. So go ahead and pull the cable all the way through till the head of cable is fully seated in there. And then I can go ahead and put the top back on into place and tighten these screws again. Be careful not to over tighten them. You don't want to strip them out. Don't strip out the screw head itself where the screwdriver goes in. So now I have that in place and I have a brand new cable. So that is how to replace the shift cable in a Shimano EF50 shifter. Hopefully you found that useful or interesting. If you did, please give my video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, click that subscribe button down there. Be sure to click the bell so you get notified when new videos come out. I'm over on Facebook, RJ the Bike Guy. Go over there, like that page. I post a lot of stuff over there. It's a lot of fun. Anyway, thank you guys very much for watching.